Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, we're starting the carpet now. And this is the first roll out. They have to get this stretch here perfect because everything's going to follow off of this piece. So it takes a little time getting it set up and making sure everything is straight, that they're going to be able to do their cuts to get around the columns, the doorways. So they're doing all their measurements and cutting everything properly. This way it all falls into place exactly where they're looking for it to be, around the column and in the doorways for the thresholds. All right, so now this piece is just about in place. Then they're going to glue it. Once that one's glued in place, then they start to bring all the other ends in. Okay, once that one stretch is in, now they're laying in the other pieces. They'll lay them out and get them cut. And then they'll roll it back half the way and start to put the glue down so that they can roll this back and then do the same thing on the other side. They're moving very quickly. I like this group. Just as you see, he's glued the half, and then they'll roll this one back down because they have the main piece in place, and then they'll roll the other side up, glue that, then they'll move and kick it in place. Yes, even a glued down carpet, you stretch it. You kick it in place so that it gets to where you want it to be, so you don't have wrinkles in the middle of the floor. So they roll this out, make sure that it's in the place that they need it, and then they glue the other side, and then they start to kick it in place. Okay, they're moving quickly. They're putting the vinyl base up where it goes. They've laid out more of these pieces of carpet so that they can glue it down. They overlap it so that they can start to do the seams, which takes a lot of time. Watch this guy, he works very hard.
Boa de verdade.
Ainda falta pagers, do you do pagers too or no?
Okay, we're just about done. They're going to go back through here, check all their areas, check all their seams, get their seams in place. These guys have done a really good job. They're going to be finishing it up today. Again, I like this crew. They're very hard workers. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I hope to see you on the next one. Make a comment, thumbs up, or thumbs down, whatever it is you want to do. See you on the next one.